For my project, I chose Chapter 3, the class and socioeconomic status. I chose to talk about the working class and the middle class. For the working class, they are all about manual work, their incomes vary, and one of the important factors is subordination of members of the capitalist control of production. And they are blue-collar workers, which means they normally do manual work that no one else wants to do. Most of them do not have a high school education, and they hope that their children have better for them than what they have. They normally tend to get $366 a month from food services, and their wages are about $7.97. They mostly do the jobs that no one else wants to do. And now we're going to move on to the middle class. The second content that I chose was the middle class, the working class, managers and professionals who do not see themselves as rich or poor. They adhere to a set of beliefs and inherit the good life that we so speak of, and their wages are from $40,000 to $105,000, and normally they have two sets of income, not just one. But 30 years ago, the middle class was fading because the manufacturing jobs were leaving. And I need to stop.